Today we're going to be learning the simplest dance on the internet, and it looks like this. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today I'm going to be teaching you one of the most viral TikTok dances on the internet right now. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. Without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. This is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirrored. So our first move is going to be on the right. You're gonna try and move your body on the side. This is the first step. So you're gonna go one. This is basic move. This is a basic move. So try and swing your body like this. Yeah. You got it? Now try and use the leg. So you're gonna tap while your body is moving this side, and then you're going to tap this side. So let's try it together. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? And then we're going to go with the hands. The hands are here, and then they're going to be digging. So it's like a dig like this. Yeah. So this is our third movement. Our first movement is the upper body. Our second movement is the stepping of the legs. And then our third movement is the digging of the hands. And then together, it needs to look like this. You get it? So we're gonna do it 4 times. So you're gonna go, I wanna put you in my life. 3, 4. Then you wanna put your leg there. So this is our continuation. So after the 4, put your leg there, right? Yeah, it's pretty simple. 4, 4, there. And then you put it here. And then you wanna swipe here. And then you want to smell your hands. Let's try one more time. So you want to go 1. So you also have to have like a rhythm, you know, there. Or if you want to keep it simple, and then you swipe, and then you smell your hands. Get it? Should we try from the top? In 5, 6, 7. I want to put you in my life. Go. Yeah. Go smell. Pretty simple, yeah? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, say, I wanna put you in my life. You continue? Nice, let's continue. So after you smell your hand, you're gonna go down with your right, but you're gonna go in front. So you're gonna go step there. Yeah? So when you step there, you're gonna go open your legs. So you're gonna open your legs going down. So you're gonna go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then just try it, make it a groove. So the groove is like this. You get it? Let's try from the top. 5, 6. Say, I wanna put you in my life. You act like we're gonna try it very slow. Yeah? Let's go. 5, 6. I wanna put you in my 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Faster. 5, 6. I wanna put you in my. Go. We are going to try with the song. If you watched this video until this end, thank you so much. And if you want to donate to this channel, my PayPal is down below in the description. Every penny is appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, peace.